tree cutting in Cedar Park, Texas. Your property has a large tree. It adds to the beauty of your yard. But a sudden storm can bring problems. A dead branch could fall on your car. A tree that's too close might hit your home. An old tree can be a sudden danger. These issues can happen fast. You may think the tree is stable, but what happens during the next high winds? The worry can feel heavy. You worry about your family and your property. You simply want to feel safe when you are outside. Rooted in Texas Tree Care helps people in Cedar Park, Texas, with these fears. We focus on tree cutting and removal. We safely get rid of trees that are unwell, weak, or in a bad spot. Our crew works hard to protect your home. We use the right tools for a safe job. We also clean up the mess when we are finished. Here's how we can help in the Cedar Park area. We remove dangerous trees before they fall. Bree, we trim branches away from your house and power lines. Bree, we cut down old trees to give you more yard space. Bree, we give honest, free estimates with no hidden costs. Don't wait for a tree to cause damage. Take control of the situation today. Give us a call at 512-783-4622 or visit our website at rootedintexastreecare.com to get a free estimate. Protect your home with trusted tree cutting in Cedar Park, Texas.